Got the Black Friday 2022. Yes, guys, the holiday deals are here. For the Ridgid only orange tools in this video. If you guys are looking for another brand, red or yellow tools, make sure you guys check out my channel. I do have a certain video for each brand. There's so much deals going on. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. I subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, lots of deals, including this Ridgid 2.0 system. I think it's one of the best values. We'll go over it in just a second, a little bit more in depth. All right, so let's start here. $99. Got a 6-gallon portable pancake air compressor. It's a really nice compressor. I've seen these out in the field on the construction site all the time. That's one of the most compressors that I see. $119 for the combo kit. This is a 2-tool combo kit. Just keep in mind these are budget tools. These are pretty much for the house, beginner tools. I guess you could use them as a pro, as a light duty use, but I would definitely just keep them in the house because they are not brushless. They're not top of the line. You got $59 for this digital inflator. Another great tool for the house. If you guys got a truck or a car you need to get topped off. $129 for the 3-speed impact wrench, half an inch impact wrench. This is the kit, and it does not say it's brushless, so I don't know if it's brushless or not. You got up to 500 pounds of breakaway torque, so that's pretty decent, guys. That is actually pretty good. That should be able to qualify as a mid torque. So yes, guys. All right, so you got impact driver, brushless, subcompact. So these are brushless tools. $139 subcompact 2-tool combo kit with battery and charger. So my personal opinion, I would definitely go with the brushless. You got a subcompact brushless 6.5 circular saw, $99. Again, these are brushless tools. All the ones that they usually say brushless on the box, so you guys will know what you guys are buying. $99 your choice here. You got one-handed reciprocating saw and brushless 3 multi-material cut tool. So either or. I got the vacuums, guys. You guys know these vacuums are like a tank. They will take anything. They'll sit outside. They'll get rained on. They'll get snowed on, and they will still turn on. 6988, 16-gallon, 5 horsepower wet and dry vacuum with hose and accessory filter and kits. So it does have some accessories in there. It is 5 horsepower, 16 gallons. It's a big boy. It does include the hose, everything. So these are pretty solid, guys. These are the modular storage system, the Ridgid modular. This is the newest 2.0. I believe it came in late last year. So guys, this is a killer deal, guys. Just around $140 will get you this whole system. It's a rugged, it's a really nice system. I believe the handle does come off, so I would have to look at this more in depth for you guys. Right now I just actually didn't know the handles came off up until I saw it on I don't know if I saw somebody's video or something, but I saw somebody took them off. But yeah, you guys do see very robust, very nice features. It does have some weather stripping, a nice organizer, and it does include some more accessories, which I don't even know what these are. But it's very interesting what all the features that it has. Dividers, it has all kinds of stuff for a cheap price. I mean, you're getting a really great value. My guess, if you don't have money for the pack out, go straight for this one. If you like the yellow DeWalt, obviously stick with that. But yeah, if you don't have the money for a pack out, definitely go with Ridgid. All right, so they got another section with some more vacuums. They got tons of these vacuums. This is a whole section that's filled with these vacuums. You guys do see. They already took some, by the way. There's already 3 gone. So locking accessories, they sell a lot of these vacuums. As a matter of fact, when I see a truck from a construction site truck, I see a Ridgid vacuum on the back of that truck. You got Ridgid car cleaning, 14 feet of hose. All right, guys. So we got some killer BOGO deals. We got the $399 4-tool combo kit. You got a hammer drill, impact driver, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw. Get 2 free tools for $399. So you're getting a total of 6 tools for $400, and they are brushless. All right, the next one down is $169. You get one free tool. You got two batteries, it looks like two 4 amp hour batteries, and a charger. So $169, and you get yourself a free tool. And then the last one, it's a high torque impact wrench, guys. I haven't stressed it enough. This is a high torque. This is comparable to the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench. That's a kit. Get one free tool with that one. All right, you can choose from that 4 amp hour battery, the angle grinder, brushless angle grinder, the LED lights, the brushless 7¼ circular saw, the multi-tool, the brushless multi-tool, the jigsaw. You can choose from that reciprocating saw or the brushless compact router. So many good deals, guys. It's hard to say no, to tell the truth. I'm wanting to get that high torque impact wrench and get a free tool. I'm already in this line. Well, not heavily invested, but I do have a couple batteries and a couple drills. So I might think about it and get that high torque. It's just a great value. After you hack it, you return the other. If you guys want to return the tools, that's a really great value. This is the kit. This is the $399 kit. It's a very nice kit. Brushless 4-piece tool combo kit. It's down from $429, down from $399. And all these are Black Friday deals, guys. So you guys do have to jump on it. SAP stock, they do run low on stock. After maybe about 2 weeks in or 3, then all the Home Depots are going to be selling out of the good stuff. There's going to be less selection. And then you got this one's $89 for the $189 for the reciprocating saw. And then you got the compact router, the brushless compact router, the jigsaw, the brushless 18-volt jigsaw, $159. And then you got the battery and charger kit for $169. So lots of good deals there. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.